Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear and delete Shopify cache. All right, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Online Store section. Here, locate the theme you are currently using. Next to the theme name, click the three dots icon and select Edit Code from the menu. This will open the Shopify Code Editor. Now, focus on the left-hand panel and look for the Layouts folder. Inside this folder, find and open the theme.liquid file. This file controls core theme behavior and is used to trigger a cache refresh. To clear the cache, make a very small temporary change in the file. You can add a space, remove a space, or slightly edit a character. The exact change does not matter. Once done, click Save. Saving forces Shopify to refresh the cached version of your theme. After that, immediately revert the file back to its original state. Remove the temporary change you made and click Save again. This ensures your site design stays unchanged while the cache is fully cleared. This method helps new updates appear correctly and keeps your store running smoothly. So that's basically how you can clear and delete Shopify cache. That's it for this video. Thanks.